This is the longest tunnel I've ever driven in. I don't know, I feel like I've been going in this straight line for the last 15 minutes. Tunnel update. I'm still driving in this forsaken tunnel. I don't know when it ends. Maybe it is a loop. We're turning slightly left. Maybe this is just maybe I'm stuck in this tunnel forever, going around in a circle. I am banished to such an existence. When will this tunnel end? I want to see daylight and not the back of this car anymore. Tunnel update. I see light ahead of me. There needs to be like a banner that says congratulations, you made it. Tunnel update. I'm in another tunnel. Yo, this 7-Eleven is a castle. Or maybe this castle is a 7-Eleven. What?
吃起来有柠檬香。
好好好。
它不会辣。
Delicious sausage. I don't know where all these people got their helmets. Well, I do not have one. And some beautiful marble cliffs. Boy, oh boy, do I love driving in the dark through tunnels. Oh boy. It's a little monkey sitting in a tree. Monkey. Hello monkey, I'm gonna walk away from you. See, these monkeys, they're gonna get hit by cars. Excuse me, monkeys. Oh boy, oh my god. Oh, there's even more stairs. Oh, the stairs are closed. Thank you, Jesus. Actually, thank you, Buddha. I made it here to the particularly empty outside of Kaohsiung Shadow Puppet Museum. What is this future technology that I see here? Oh, look at this. How's this chair? I'll just sit on the floor. Well, boy, howdy there. Hello, Mr. Dragon Lion Buddy. Oh no. Off we go on an adventure. Alright, everybody on your favorite animal. Let's go raid this castle. I already love this plywood wall. Had another absolute circus of a time trying to exchange money. I think what was throwing them off was that I was trying to exchange Japanese yen for Taiwanese dollars using an American passport. The first lady was like, I have never done this before and I need help. And then two other employees came around the desk to help out, to figure out what to type and where to type it and things like that. One of them eventually got on the phone with their boss, so now there's like 4 people trying to figure out how to exchange this money. All in all, it took about 25 minutes. And with the exchange rate, they made like $4 a profit, only like $4 a profit. But it was fun watching the chaos unfold. I was just sitting there in my swivel chair, just spinning around and enjoying my time. This man is maybe selling me a Taiwanese puppet. Let's see what's in the depths. Ooh.
这里那个红红是台湾的木，
那个红红的在哪里的？
那个
在那上面的，
上面那个，
这个吗？
不是，再过去。
再过去。哦，我看到了。Little dog. Over here you'll see a beautiful water tower. This water tower was built during the Japanese colonialization of Taiwan. Taiwan was a Japan colony for several decades, ending at the end of World War II. When the Japanese showed up, they built a lot of infrastructure to help the livelihood of the people. Though they kind of used Taiwan as their sort of like fake model of what their ideal of colonialization looked like. It's meant to show the world that, hey, yeah, we can colonialize other people and do a good job and respectful job of it. So they threw a lot of money at Taiwan, making the infrastructure nice. And this beautiful water tower is an example of this. Goodbye, dog. Wouldn't it be nice if these streets had sidewalks so I wouldn't have to walk in the street?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Scott.
Scott?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Scott. I walked in here thinking this would continue the puppet exhibit, but it's a prison. Here's the toilet. Oh.